Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. After the match where Arsenal played yesterday, we then play with West Ham 2-2. So Arsenal captain Odegaard come and say make some kind of statement. So Baba the talk say we did a lot of stupid things and allowed them to come back into the game. Like we did a lot of stupid things at West Ham, you get. And when you look at that game, like we see for the first half, we don't lead them 2-0, you get. A lot of things can't go wrong. We stopped playing, you get. After that 2-0, we felt comfortable, you get. And I see many people when they talk about yesterday when they do the full-time analysis. And they talk to nobody mentioned Thomas Partey because Thomas Partey was not in that game. After that mistake when one tried to hide Declan Rice, we call it claim handball where the free no blow. Since then, when the Congo scores, since then Partey was a shadow of himself. He just a loose boy. And at a point, I know that when I see him, Ateta when they shout for him, you get class making calm down because that mistake, that panic, he don't enter him body. That was why Ateta had to remove him. People they thought say that because of yellow card, which yellow card? It was because he was not in the game. And if you are a keen observer of that match, you see say when Partey come out and Jorginho can't enter, Jorginho and one other player and now enter Trossard. Jorginho and Trossard enter. We regained control, you get, of that midfield. If you, I don't know whether you observed it, get, but we regained control. We're now in the ascending order. We can press, try to find a way out, but it already did late. After we don't lose, we don't not lose really, but in the psychological term, in the way of looking at it, we lose because we don't lose momentum for this title race now. But everything is not still over here. We still have a lot of things to play, even though we did 4 points. Like what Odegaard talk, say people keep forgetting that we are still top of the league. In Africa, they don't talk to play stupidly, this and that. But say we are still top of the league. We have a lot to play for. Everything is still in our hands. We are still going to Etihad. We can go there and not get beaten. You get. We still have a fighting chance. As long as say this Man City still in more competitions, our hope be say they will get injury or they will get fatigue or they will get stress or maybe they will get like a Real Madrid match and they will need to rest player because that match is very important. Look at what is happening to Manchester United now with the Europa League. Now they don't lose the butcher, again, Lisandro Martinez for the rest of the season. He has got injured for Europa match against Sevilla. They carry him out. Rafael Varane also long-term injury. That is part of the things we escape when make us feel say, okay, if we focus on this level, if we win, but at the end of the day, you know work out. So Odegaard, they appeal to everybody. We still the top. Easy. We are competing against a team who don't win the league in 4 times in the last 5 seasons. No big beans, to collect that league for their hand, you go need to do like this. So men are just calm down. I know a lot of people are angry, they have frayed nerves here and there, but that is why it is football. You can't win all your games. We said we can't win all our games. Man City, they may win all their games because they have more firepower than us. Come on, Saka for Arsenal lineup now, the quality don't drop. Maybe come out Foden for Man City, come on Mahrez, come on Grealish, they still get quality to enter there. We come on Leal and Julian Alvarez go enter, bang anybody, but our own, they get issues here and there. Well, this is what it is. Let's continue. Alright, for the media side, they ask Arteta whether the title pressure they get to the players. So Baba Contoc say no, not really. Say the title pressure no they get to anything. Say the players are playing well. It's just the unfortunate. Like public opinion, they change quickly. If to say Saka score a penalty now, nobody will talk all these things now. If I be 3-1 bar, that's what football just be. But because you know score like 60 seconds after he missed that penalty, Bowen scoring on, come make and 2-2 and the game end like that. Oh, go blame. So we have ourselves to blame. That's what football just be. You can't have it go your way. Now make I think that they talk about yesterday. I mean, for yesterday, they say you need luck in this title race. See, yesterday they say luck no day with us. They say luck then, and maybe Saka for score that penalty. So that's what it just be. Now, I also got the talk say that football be say if he gets to pick maybe we'll get another penalty now. They won't pick another person will still pick Saka, I guess. Based on say maybe he miss one penalty, don't say go to miss. Because most people they say why Saka play the penalty? In the pecking order of penalties, we have the hierarchy. Saka na number 1, maybe Gabriel Jesus number 2, Odegaard number 3. Unless maybe sometimes we say like when Gabriel Jesus never come back in scoring form, because okay, when I give him penalty, make it a starting account. So they can't give him penalty. But say in the pecking order, Saka na be number 1. And that's what it be. And how they take the choose penalty taker from how they play penalty for the training session, the best penalty taker and go play for the club. And as still stands, that Saka be the best from what we don't see from training, but say when it comes to the real field of play, the keeper fit gets the right place, you feel keeper fit sees loss, you can go sample the ball, play the ball, go over. Anything can happen again. So Saka said, don't come and second apologize to Arsenal fans, say, Gunners, I will do everything in my power to make it up to you guys. So he just did left on. I mean, I forgive him. Let's look forward again to win this league. Yeah, right. So be our legend. Don't talk him in the past. Say you know go easy. You get it will be very, very difficult and tough to win this league, to collect them from Man City hand. You know go easy. Alright, for the media set, they call the interview David Moyes, because they ask him, say, why he can't target the Arsenal centre backs, get, because they say after Arsenal when they win, they can't change their shape, can't change their style of play. But Baba talk say, don't be say they target them because he like to target them. So no, say he has played behind Arsenal, because when you watch that match, you see say David Moyes and his troops can't play long ball tactics, get, because they feel say the Arsenal centre backs no really they in cohesion. That flow no make sense, so that's why they play the long ball, and I would say gonna work for them. At the end of the day, we ended 2-2, and this same long ball now they see say maybe Man City will deploy. So anybody want to play us now? We start to deploy long ball again. So well, it is what it is. People need to understand. So we are not using our most stable, most potent defense backline again. Normal our first 11 backline. We're supposed to have is Saliba, is Zinchenko, Morales, and Ben White. But that matches they were not there. That is why we know be Man City made. So a lot of people they compare us and Man City, they compare us and Chelsea. Chelsea have better players than us. I see they talk about Manchester United, they get better players than us. Get now coach, now they don't get. Now all these our players get, majority of them. How many people will go start for maybe might just use Chelsea now? How many players? Now Rich James I won't come out for our own Ben White to play right back. Ben White will never even enter the England #1 setup. Even your Gabriel Jesus go no dey for Brazil first 11. So make I call am for you, make it know now. So now the manager Arteta and they bring out the best in these players. Get normal. These are our players. A lot of them they be average. That is why we are still in phase 3. By the time we enter phase 4, a lot of all these players we they see now. They will tell them they come out for Arsenal, see they know they good enough, and that is the way it is. Arsenal is a big club, you get. It's not very easy. Our bench supposed to mad. That's why the Premier gets people like Musa Diaby. I don't say a lot of nothing never do this one whatever. Take your time. Go to Google and search for Man City Soccer Way, Man City space Soccer Way. It will bring you Man City squad, or just type Man City squad list. Make you see the kind of players where Man City get. Look at their first 11, then look at the second 11. Make you see. Do you know the kind of defenders Man City have? Look at their 4 centre backs. They have a Laporte, they have a Ruben Diaz, they have a John Stones, they have an Akanji. These are 4 people. We say any of them can start inside our own centre back. Any of them, if they miss anyone, the one with the come inside will slot in seamlessly. But look at our own. The first choice quality is massively different from the second choice quality. That is the thing I'm trying to explain to a lot of you. Our squad depth just did like we just get quantity and we don't have quality. I have explained this before. I'm explaining it again. You know, they're very, very easy for us to compete against Man City. In fact, for the mere fact that we are competing with them, it's a miracle. You get it's grace. Which players we get? If players don't tire, okay, look at Partey now. Partey don't tire now. Who will call in? We will bring in a Jorginho. If Saka don't tire now, who will bring in? The quality will drop. I mean, no drop. But look at Man City. Man City can remove a Grealish and put in a Mahrez. They can remove a Mahrez and put in a Phil Foden. Look at the kind of players they have. You get world class everywhere, top players everywhere. Now yesterday, Organic side talk say a top class player in Calvin Phillips that plays center defensive midfield for Leeds is languishing on the bench for Man City, never play because Rodri is very, very good. And Rodri are players saying they get injury. What are we talking about? That is the gulf in difference between we and City. But I don't even compare us at all. But the main fact is they challenge them easy, easy. And at the same time we see the top. A lot of people don't rule out Arsenal. Yes, we don't feel win the league. To win the league is in the first place. But I just take it easy on these guys. Easy. This is what they see. Easy. Yes. Not just the watch as things go and chat. About Roy King said, don't come and say I call the talk. So we've seen great players miss penalties. So Saka go respond. So the normal level you get, it happen to the best of players. Yeah. So you don't miss penalty, doesn't mean we'll crucify. A lot of people were castigating Saka. Why Saka go play the penalty? Why this or another one castigate Arteta out? Like I use some kind of words so I don't feel mentioned for live TV. Arteta is this, Arteta is that. Come on. We will only say all these things when we lose. And team wey still dey for top like to some people, if we don't win the league now, we don't fit win am again. Remember that last season when we ended 5th, yes, nobody expected us to be here, you get. Some people don't already get that belief say next season go dey harder. Next season go dey harder, we can still be top, we can still win it. Shey you believe say we go dey where we dey this season? That is the thing now. A lot of una don write us off next season. Next season now we go start to dey perform, come dey top again. When I come dey ask una before the season, who believe that we'll be top? Some people will say yes I believe, yes I believe. But now people are already writing off Arsenal, which was what happened before the season started. There was no pundits. You are right, confess. People like Jamie Carragher, them confess. Now as the season dey unfold, people come dey realize, people come dey realize say Arsenal can win this thing, because nobody gave them a chance. In the beginning, everybody talk say, nah, Man City go win. Okay, make I even bust your brain. Then they ask Arteta, say there's a supercomputer that predicts who will win the title. So they call it Arteta, say the supercomputer don't predict say Man City will win the title this season. Say wetin go fit talk as Arsenal manager, because themselves dey for top and they compete for the title, about 7 games to go. So Arteta come talk say as it stands now, say if he ask that supercomputer in the beginning of the season, wetin the supercomputer will talk? Man City. Say so there's nothing to talk about. Everybody's favorite is Man City, but at the end of the day, we'll see how it turns out. At least we don't get our major objective. This one we pursue wasn't what we set as our objective in the beginning of the season. I just let you know, say in case we don't win this league season, our season is not a failure. It gets. We don't have that title winning character. We don't have that title winning team. That is why it affects me, but I learn how to bring down my expectation. It is when you skyrocket your expectation, now you will vex. Sometimes you say, you don't get the power to do it. Where are the players? Where are the character, the title winning character? We enter top 4 first. Sign some kind of top players who will give us the character and move forward. I want to look our best. Make I see Musa Diaby, make I see some kind, make I see Sergej Milinkovic-Savic, man I see Casado, man I see some kind striker, even if na Vlahovic, or even if na Ivan Toney, or even if na, man I see some kind striker, so say if they enter, they go make a difference. If maybe Gabriel Jesus don't tire, those are what I'm talking about. So just calm down, get. Say we draw, no be lose. We are still unbeaten in 9 games. Now beans. People just vex. Fine, we don't play 2-2. No be say we lose. If you say that they did us 2-0, come equalize 2-2, everybody will vex. Let's just calm down, get. We know they use our first 11, so we use a weaker team compared to the normal team they put out. So things can happen. Our Kolo2 reserve don come outside the talk say if Arsenal won't play Man City, say we go attack them from the flanks, get attack their fullbacks. That's the only place where Man City get weakness. Say apart from that place, then any other place will be very, very tight. Now what to make Arsenal do or play Man City. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You see the thumbnail. Click on so that we'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.